So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, puppy. And now, we're TikTok famous.
Happy guy, oh just a happy guy, oh just a look at that happy.
Tell him, let me see. My big teeth are coming in.
Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Put him in while we eat. Murphy, you stay. Murphy, get your butt back in there.
Run.
Do you like going to the vet?
Who can relate? This struggle is real.
He's going for it. He's out of it, but he's on a fifth. Where is he?
Get the dog!
It is 1 in the afternoon, and you've been laying in bed all day. Why don't you actually get up and try to do something with your life, you lazy piece of shit?
Pull up a little bit more. Oh my god, pull up a little bit more.
It's gotten pretty bad where when I grab pants, he thinks we're going outside because it's the only time I put pants on.
What? Oh my god.
Are you PPA? Oh! Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be suspicious.
Oh! Look at that! Y'all are doing the snoozy time! Y'all are so snoozy!
Can you close the door for me, Mochi? Mochi, can you close the door for me? All the way. All the way. All the way. Thank you.
Bruce, come here.
Is it time for your breakfast? Sit. Okay, you're already doing that. Down. Try again.
Look at my happy guy, oh just a happy guy, oh just a look at that happy, oh that.
This is my dog. His name is Admiral Cabbage von Slobbernoggin. When he eats his food and leaves a hole like that in the bottom of it, he sits and whines and waits for somebody to come and fill it for him like by doing that. And now he'll eat his food.
Senna, put the cat down! Senna, put her down! It's not funny! Senna, drop the cat now! Senna! Senna, leave her alone. Leave her alone. Are you crazy?
What? Baby, don't. What's in your mouth? Don't you dare chew it. Don't you dare chew it. What is in your mouth? You're not falling asleep. What is in your mouth? Show Papa right now. You're not, baby. Show me what's in your mouth right now.
Alright, boys. I have these treats for you. You just have to wait to eat them until I get back, okay? Alright, be right back. Oh, service dog reject.
A dog has no use for fancy cars or big homes or designer clothes. A waterlogged stick will do just fine. A dog doesn't care if you're rich or poor, clever or dull, smart or dumb. Give him your heart and he'll give you his.
Good job, honey.
How many people can you say that about? How many people can make you feel rare and pure and special? How many people can make you feel extraordinary?